All right, today we are going to be breaking apart the dash, which is kind of halfway done already. So we're gonna get in here and get the dash removed, maybe the steering column. The seat's not really in here. See if we can get the doors, panels off, get the doors off, and then all we really need to do to clean up the rest of this is get all the brake booster and all the electrical disconnected from the firewall. All right.
Try getting the seatbelts out, but
they're oh, the mechanisms. Yeah, I'm gonna have to grind it off, I bet.
yeah, because I impacted it and it wouldn't even.
Yeah, I had to do that on this side or somewhere. I don't remember where I did it at. We gotta disconnect the OBD2 here.
And then Torx.
It's just got a really short head on it, so I couldn't sit on it.
And then everything else, like for the underbody's in a bucket over there.
In a bucket in the back.
Reinforced gas pedal.
You have the long, skinny extension? That's all you got?
Yeah, that's all I got.
Yep. Should have a real tool kit over here.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a ton of mice in these ductwork boxes.
Yeah, the two were just up. One was over here and one was right over here.
I think I took something apart. You got the dash out yet?
Oh, I got the call.
You knocked my damn camera over.
What?
It's like laying here like that. What the fuck?
I think it's ready to
Slide out.
Well, there we got.
Well, that's on top of it. And then this one's in here. Hold on a second. Damn it, there's another one. Oh, it's still attached there. I got it. Yeah, that ain't gonna come through. I figured it should, but.
Like, what's right behind that? There's that white thing.
It's just more shaft. Whoop! Turn the whole wheel. Maybe hit it with a big sledge.
There.
Did it just come off?
Yeah, it just slipped apart right there.
Who needs a steering shaft? That frees up a little working room.
Oh, there you go.
I don't know if I broke it or not, but it got out. Stupid glove compartment.
I should watch the whole video of the door panel.
I figured out how to get the handle off, and then I just decided to rip on the door till the rest of it came apart.
Some good ass fucking double-sided tape.
That's what holds them on.
Yeah. What holds this inside piece? Oh man, you're getting close.
Yeah, we close. It's just your side now, big guy. There should be something through the glove box. I thought they said.
Oh yeah, right there's one. Looks like you just need to come up over that little.
I know, but I can't lift it up.
Oh.
So there's something, I think that piece, which I can undo these two pretty quick with that torque set that you were just doing. Oh, those are on there. I haven't had to try hard. Oh yeah, she's loose.
Did you get the one above? Is there one above that little?
It's
bracket?
free.
Oh shit! Nice.
There's a bunch of electrical.
Yeah.
Nothing like brittle ass fucking cheese, and that just falls apart. Then I can reuse the mount locations up on the dash. Oh, one more. Oh, what is that?
Piece of antenna, radio.
Is it in a bracket or something?
No, it's just wrapped around a bunch of shit.
Oh. Oh, that was a big insulated deal. It was more work than I expected, but exactly the amount of work I expected.
Right. Dang.
I really thought there'd be less to clean up after we got that out too.
Yeah, I thought a lot of it was gonna come with it, but yeah.
Started that in time. Look at all the room for dash activities. Yeah, that still was on there good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Now it looks like I thought it would after we pulled the dash out. I was just simply getting all the electrical out and the e-brake out. And the stupid pad that feels moist. Get the electrical out first probably, because it's running all up in there. Yeah, do you have dikes over here?
I don't.
How do you cut your wire? Alright guys, this is where we're ending this video. The electrical is pretty much all removed. Well, it is. So all we have left on the firewall is the booster and the wipers and that seal down there. And then on the inside we've got the dash panels off. Most of the dash is cleared out, all the electrical is cleared out, and then we just got to finish taking apart the doors, removing glass, mechanisms, speakers, that sort of thing, and then the headliner, and that will be it. On the very next video that we record, we'll be over here working on the frame. We're going to get this totally disassembled down to a roller, if not removing all that suspension, because all of that's going to go to the trash. I want a new steering box, suspension, new brake lines, new fuel lines, pretty much everything. So thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for that next video. Subscribe, like, you know the drill.